If you're someone who's struggling to put together good outfits because of lack of time in your life, this is exactly where you need to be. You could be someone who goes to college or someone who's struggling to make it to office on time, or you can also be a CEO who has no time to decide what to wear. But don't you worry, because I've got you covered. First fashion hack for a busy woman should be creating a capsule wardrobe. The more options you have in your wardrobe, जितने ज़्यादा outfit options आपके पास होंगे या pieces आपकी wardrobe में होंगे, उतना time ज़्यादा लगेगा और उतना confusion create होगा as to what to finally wear. A capsule wardrobe is basically a wardrobe which has limited number of pieces, but ये pieces इतने versatile होते हैं कि आप easily mix and match कर सकते हो to create multiple and numerous outfits. I have done a detailed video on how you can create a capsule wardrobe. It's a step-by-step guide. I'm going to link it down below. Please go watch it. It'll be super helpful for you. Second hack is to opt for easy to style statement pieces. These are those pieces that require no effort or minimal effort to style but elevate your look in a huge way. These are pieces that you can just throw on and they will instantly make you look good. These include dresses, jumpsuits, tailored blazers, or something like a classic leather jacket. In fact, what I'm wearing today, which is a jumpsuit, required literally minimal efforts because all I had to do was put on a watch, put on some nice gold hoop earrings, style my hair, and I'm good to go. These will take really little time to style and yet ensure that you look effortlessly fashionable. The next fashion hack is making use of pre-styling techniques. Now what this means is that every night before you go to bed, decide what you're going to wear the next morning. This is going to save you so much time and also prevent any panic early in the morning. All you have to do is take out your outfits, including accessories and shoes and handbags or whatever you want to wear in the morning, and put it aside in an organized manner. What you can also do is iron or steam iron your clothes at night so that you don't have to waste time doing that early in the morning. The next fashion hack is embracing the power of accessories. Honestly, accessories are a busy woman's best friend. They have an incredible ability to transform a simple outfit into a stylish one. So invest in statement necklaces, statement earrings, belts, shoes and handbags. In fact, shoes and handbags are also accessories, so don't forget that. These accessories can easily elevate your look, and the best part is they add a lot of personality and make you look stylish without wasting too much time. You can easily swap them around with different outfits. The fifth fashion hack is to invest in wrinkle-resistant fabrics, and trust me, no one's gonna ever tell you this. Choose clothing items that are made with fabrics such as polyester blend or stretchy knits. These don't wrinkle very easily and you will save so much time on ironing or steam ironing your clothes. Instead, you can invest all this time in more important things on your hand and still look equally polished. Next hack is opting for comfortable yet stylish footwear. Busy women are obviously constantly on the go and comfortable footwear is an essential. But that doesn't mean that you can't wear stylish footwear. You can invest in stylish sneakers, block-heeled sandals or ankle-length boots. These are equally comfortable. They're going to keep your feet happy but still make you look stylish. Moving on to the next fashion hack for you guys, using a dry shampoo can be a lifesaver. Along with this, you should also know some quick, easy hairstyles that will make you look super stylish in no time. Now, dry shampoo is great when you don't have time to wash your hair. It absorbs excess oil, it also adds volume and prevents your hair from looking too oily or dirty. The one that I would recommend is from Batiste. That's actually the only dry shampoo that I use. Along with that, also learn some easy hairstyles like a messy bun, a sleek ponytail or a chic braid. These are super simple. In fact, I have a hairstyles video on my channel as well, 2 of them. If you have short hair or long hair, both the videos cater to you guys, so do check that out. And my last fashion hack is to follow fashion influencers and bloggers, because honestly we do share a lot of tips and outfit ideas that you can incorporate into your busy lifestyle. I hope these fashion hacks were super helpful for you and they will help you streamline your busy lifestyle. Please do remember that fashion has to be fun and expressive no matter how busy we are in our lives. So make use of these hacks and try and incorporate them. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay stylish and fabulous.